Man takes daughter's body to Capitec after she died begging for insurance payout. Man takes daughter's body to Capitec Bank after she died begging for insurance payout. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dr. Jones. Why not TV? Please subscribe. Kwadukuza, South Africa, in a deeply emotional and dramatic protest, a grieving family carried the coffin of their deceased 25-year-old sister into a Capitec Bank branch at Kwadukuza Mall on Tuesday, demanding the urgent release of funeral insurance funds they say the bank had unduly delayed. The family alleges that they submitted their funeral claim last Wednesday and were assured the funds will be released within 48 hours. However, days passed without payment, and the family says they were later informed that the funds will only be made available on August 22, nearly a month later. "We are desperate. We don't know what else to do," said the deceased older sister. "Our sister's body is lying at the funeral home, and we have nothing to bury her with. We were told lies. That's why we brought her here, to make them see the urgency and the reality of our pain." Dressed in mourning black and surrounded by loved ones, the family wheeled the sealed coffin through the mall and into the Capitec branch in a move that shocked customers and staff alike. Some bystanders were seen weeping, wiping away tears, while others filmed the scene in disbelief. Kwadukuza Mall management later released a brief statement distancing itself from the incident, stating it was a private matter between the customer and the bank, and that mall security had not been informed in advance of the protest. Capitec Bank had not issued an official response of the time of publishing, but the story has already sparked outrage online, with many South Africans calling for greater accountability from banks handling funeral insurance products. For the family, however, the delay has caused more than just financial hardship. "We've had to deal with her sudden death and now this trauma too," said a cousin. "We just want to lay her to rest with dignity." The funeral was initially scheduled for Saturday, but it remained uncertain whatever it will go ahead and plan. Someone commented and said, "Capitec must bring back our money." Another one commented and said, "So sad, these insurances don't want to pay, but they deduct every month." Another one commented and said, "All these demons that hold back policies are evil. Watch out when they ask stupid questions over and over. They try to rob. I am experiencing the same thing. They never pick up their phones. I suppose they want people to get tired waiting." Another one commented and said, "All institutions are full of lies like Ramaphosa's causes of all this current situation." Another one commented and said, "Capitec is full of lies and dramas." Another one commented and said, "Cruel institutions." Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dr. Jones. Why not TV? Please subscribe. Bye for now till we meet again next time. Subscribe.